Hello everybody, this is Steve with the C64 Brain channel. What I'm doing here, first I want to welcome you guys and let you know I'm not dead, and I'm actually, you'll see here, I'm working on an actual video right now. And what I've done is I've set up a Discord, so any of you are welcome to join. I'm going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube, so this is going to be kind of a short one. But I've been working here with another guy right now, trying to work out some animation issues that's been going on. This is one of the reasons why the videos have been delayed, so I promise I'll eventually get up a real video real soon here. But this is just going to be kind of like a temporary video. So as soon as you see this video, go down and check in the link chat below, and you'll see an area where you can join us. Now, one of the things I do want to do is maybe try to start doing this like once a week if I have the time and the time permits. I could do it like on like a Saturday evening, probably around like 6 o'clock. That'd be Mountain Time, my time in Arizona. So let me know if that'll work, and go ahead and leave comments. Also, if you have any trouble joining, go ahead and submit information into the comments to YouTube, and I'll keep an eye on that until we get you all connected so we can kind of, touch base that way. So just to kind of explain what's going on right now, as I mentioned, I have like my Vice set up here, and I also have my CBM PRG Studio loaded here over to the side that I'm running the program from. So this is the latest video, which I think is video 8 if I recall. And there's a weird thing going on with the animation right now, which is one of the reasons why I haven't really uploaded it yet. I was going to, but I was like, yeah, it's kind of tacky. But we'll see how it goes. And yeah, if you guys can join in, and even I appreciate your assistance if you have the knowledge of the assembly language and can follow along with the code, because I'll explain what's going on here step by step as you get into the Discord. Just to kind of break it down here, I'm in the subroutine area called Game Routines, and what we're doing is we're using an animation routine. You'll see here it's reading from a character set 1 and a character set 2. And if I scroll down here where it says read character set address 1, character set address 2 here, you'll see right here it's pointing to a table for map screen 1 that loads into low and high bytes of 0 page, and this one is a map screen 2 that is pointing to 0 page 2. So basically it's loading, you're getting your data temporarily loaded into 0 page 1 and 2. So this represents tile 1 and tile 2, and what I'm trying to do is switch back and forth between two different animation tiles, and I'll show you that here. First, let me go down here and show you where the table is reading from here. So down here, I had to comment this out because I realized I was probably reading the wrong tiles. This is where I read the first one. If you look back up here, you'll see this is map screen 1, just where I just showed you. And it's reading here from each tile, counting 16 all the way down. So if that is an error, let me know, because what I'm doing here, and I'll pull tripod up here for a minute, is I'm reading each of these. So each tile, this is each, excuse me, there's some errors going on with CBM PRG Studio and other things. Anyways, I'm reading 16 characters, so you got 1, and it's 4 by 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm trying to read each individually down, and I'm using that table to reference where I'm pointing to as I'm going down in the data here. So for example, if I change that to point to like, let me show you here, and then I'll have you guys be able to join in, and we'll figure out what's hopefully going on here. If not, just watch the video for now. This is kind of a leeway into what you'll be seeing later, but anyways, right here is pointing 45 lines down. So it's initially reading at 0 page pointer 1, and it's pointing down in the map, which over here is where it's actually reading both of my maps. If you guys recall, I've got, in this case, I got 2 character sets. This is character set 1, and this is character set 2. And this would be like chart pad 1 and chart pad 2. And basically, I'm reading all that data you saw on the screen earlier there, and I'll put them both side by side here as well to show you. Right here, these are the 2 side by side going on. So I'm reading initially from this one, and I'm trying to swap over to this tile data so I can create a water illusion going back and forth, switching between it. Because if you move these real quickly, you'll get a rotation. That's what these are set up to do, as a rotation. But I'm getting some weird data instead. And initially, it's reading as the map screen 1, map screen 2 you saw earlier, the tables. Just to kind of explain that real quickly, it reads from this upper corner here all the way down to the very end, because it's 100 tiles by 49. So it's reading all the way over 100, and then as it gets to the 100, it basically increments down 1 line and it starts to the next line down, next line down. So I'm basically pointing down here until I locate, this may not be the right map, by the way, until I'm locating, yeah, down here, I'm locating this water down here. But initially it's just reading it from the character pad data, but I wanted to show you basically I'm positioning it in the map's memory so I know where it's positioning. And I got that part working where I'm able to position it like right on the tile, because if I scroll around here and I move around here for a minute, you'll see it's not impacted any other tiles like you saw at the bottom there. It's not impacted that, it's only pointing at this tile data, and I can initially move it around to point to whatever tile data I want based on those tables. But anyway, we won't go into a whole lot of detail. I just wanted to kind of lay that out for you. So yeah, go ahead and join Discord if you can. I'll be up here probably for a few hours tonight. This is just probably going to be a temporary video. I may just pull it later because there's really nothing else to really explain in the video. But if you want to, I appreciate subscriptions. I know you won't see me on video here, but I'm here talking. So yeah, guys, go ahead and join us, and I'm going to get back to it because I'm working with another person here right now, which he said it was okay if I showed the screen here. So I'll switch over real quick and show you what I'm doing here. I hope I'm not breaking any Discord rules doing this. I'll find out soon enough. So the Discord is right here initially. Initially what we're going to be doing is, and I don't know if you're going to see this or not, but this is the server you're going to be joining here. And all you have to do is join, and then you'll appear here in the list and we can all start talking. That's initially all I'm trying to accomplish. It's kind of like having your own little Twitch or something. That's up, you know, you're not getting paid for it or anything. But yeah, if you guys want to join me, I appreciate that so much. And we'll see how it goes, and eventually I'll get a real good video out here. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it so much, and thanks for the patience through all this. We'll work this through one way or the other. I am a busy man. I'm a married man, and I'm also maintaining a YouTube site and a website in general. Another website I just started, and a Facebook community, trying to do my SEO. So there's a lot of stuff that keeps me kind of moving back and forth. But anyways, talk to you guys real soon. Have a great day.